morning, everyone. Welcome to a new day, a new week. Today is Sunday, February 25th. Wow, I feel like the month of February is really flying. Anyway, this is the day that the Lord has made, so let us rejoice and be glad in it. I am on my way to do a Instacart order. I got a pretty good order this morning, so I'm on my way to get that right now. But before I go to the store, I gotta stop and get some I want to get some coffee because I make no tea. I need something more in my system. Well, not really coffee, but you know, I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' to get something. Such a beautiful day out. The sun is out, but the place is cold. It's 21 degrees right now. And the grocery store open in there. 21 degrees and you feel it. But it's a great day to be alive and well and in the land of the living. Ooh. Yeah. Please let me know how you guys are doing today. I am heading to Dunkin' right now, so I'm going to talk to you guys when I get there. Hi guys, good morning. May I have a medium chai latte?
Unfortunately, I do not have chai right now.
Oh no. Okay. Can I get a medium hot chocolate?
Okay.
That'll be all.
Did you want whipped cream on that?
Yes, please.
All right, would that complete your order?
Yes.
Come on up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh shoot! I'm giving you the wrong card. Hot chocolate is secured. All right, time to go and work. I need to get some skincare. So I get my skincare from Marshall's because I need some moisturizer, I need some toner. I use this toner from Good Molecules from Ulta that finished last week. I had it for probably about a month or so. So I got a good amount of use out of it, and it's not very expensive. It's like $16 or so. So I'm gonna go get that, and this cream, a spot cream that I've been using, and then I go to Marshall's to get like my serums and my moisturizer, because I have cleanser. I have two cleansers that I've been using. That's a Korean brand that has been doing very good on my skin. It doesn't leave my skin feeling dry or anything like that. Very moisturized and bright and stuff. So yeah, so that's one of the things that's on the list to do today. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to see you guys when I get to the grocery store. One hour and 15 minutes later, I am all done with my order. So I'm about to go and drop it off right now. And it's not very far, so I love that. For me, first order is 4 minutes drive. So we thank God for that. Groceries are so expensive, y'all. A couple piece of item there. Wow. And then by people using Instacart and these apps and stuff to buy their groceries, I'm sure they're paying a lot more. Dropped off my first order. Now I'm about to drop off my second order. My battery's blinking, so once the camera cut off, I will see you guys when I get back in the house. Good night, everybody. So I just discovered that there's a Crumbl cookie in my area, and I've been seeing this Crumbl cookie stuff all over my TikTok because I spend way too much time on TikTok, and I want to try them. So I'm heading to their location right now, and then I have to run to, I think, GNC to get some supplements for my husband and I. By the time you see this video, I'm sorry, it's dark. By the time you see this video, right, you would have already known that my husband is here. Yay, thank God. And I am so happy that he's here, and you know, getting to start our lives together as a family. Anyway, that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about going to Crumbl cookie. Let me know in the comment section if you had Crumbl cookie before, and if you have, what is your favorite flavor? I got it. It's right there. Let me show y'all. Ooh. So this is brownie, cornbread, chocolate chip, strawberry shortcake. Ooh, that looks really good. I'm sorry that you guys can't see me really well. Okay, this is better. Alright, so I'm gonna try the cookie. I'm gonna try the brownie one first. Break it. Ooh. Okay, this is good. This is cornbread. This one tastes like a snickerdoodle. Is that what you call it? Like a sugar cookie. Look at this. This chocolate chip one isn't all of that. This brownie one is really good. The brownie one is a 10 out of 10 to me. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. This one is really good. This frosting thing is really, really sweet. It's like too sweet. These twists gotta come out. It is time. So, Crumbl cookie, it's a no for me. The initial taste wasn't bad. Like I said, out of the four, my favorite, like if I ever go back to get it, I would get the brownie one. The cornbread one, it didn't really taste like cornbread. It just tastes like a sweet sugar cookie. And then the little thing on the top, I'm not a fan of sweets, to be honest. So that was a no for me. The chocolate chip one, nope. And the strawberry shortcake one, that one was good, but the cream thing on top of it was too sweet. So if people eat those cookies more than once a week, I don't know how you could do, because that's not good for you at all. But let me know in the comment section if you've had it before and if you like it, you know. I just wanted to show y'all my breakfast today. It's looking so good. You want some? You want it? Look at my plate. Clean. Now to tackle this.